Hey guys, it's Jim here. Today we're going to make a paper flower. I want to make a flower for my sister, Nora, who is sick at the moment, and I hope you guys can give your paper flowers to your loved ones when you're done with this video.
First, you need a couple pieces of paper, a pencil, some scissors, and some glue. The first thing you do is to fold your paper diagonally, then fold it again. Finally, fold your paper diagonally for the third time.
I can't wait to give this to my sister when the flower is finished. My sister loves making these things, and I can't wait to see the look on her face.
Now we will grab our pencil and draw a petal on the closed side of the folded pieces of paper. After that, we will use the scissors to cut out the petal. Then cut a little piece off in the corner.
I'm doing this right!
Now we will repeat the same process again. We need 4 of these in order to make a flower.
Can we just not do this? Like, do something else? Like a paper plane or something? Do this another 3 times.
When you finally got your 4 pieces, you cut off one of the petals for one of the pieces. Then you cut 2 petals off another piece. Then you glue your pieces in a cone shape. After that, you glue all of your pieces together.
Then you're done. So, I hope this video helped you learn how to make a paper flower. If it did, then leave a like. Also, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your loved ones. I have to go visit my sister now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.